BSI invites you to join the new movement in food shields. Axces Pivot Action Sneeze Guards will change what you expect from your guards and serving lines. The patented swing movement and rest and hold position make cleaning and food replenishment for your food service staff fast and safe. Returning the sneeze guard to the self-service position has never been more convenient. A gentle nudge of the glass activates the soft shut closure. Staff can move on to their next task without the worry of safety hazards to customers. Designed with operational efficiency in mind, Axces eliminates the need for two-person adjustment. The factory-installed guard stops take care of positioning them to the NSF-approved self-serve height and angle. No more pulling another staff member from their work to correctly move food shields into place for the next meal service. Trust BSI, the manufacturer that brought you the first adjustable, best-selling sneeze guard to advance the food service industry into its next generation of serveries. Join the Axces movement by reserving your guards today.